Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, I just completed my interview with German Embassy and I'm back here in my villa and going to have a nice lunch. When I was booking an appointment for my visa in the German Embassy, I was looking for some place to stay here because I'm coming here from Tirupur to Chennai. So I definitely wanted some place, a good place actually, to stay and to freshen up and then go for the visa and come back and have good time. So this place is called Niketana. This is a kind of homestay, and what I like about this place, you will see along with me going further. If you are looking for some nice accommodation near to the visa office, I would recommend this one so that you can stay comfortably and also you can have your visa place nearby. Get inside. First of all, I really like this greenery. Wherever I enter and I see this greenery, my mood just pops up. So yeah. See, talking about greenery, it's all around green only. Side to side. See, if you really want to keep your air purified around you, you should have tulsi plant in your place. Oh yeah, so it's COVID time. We are supposed to sanitize our hands. Oh, sorry. Nice statues outside. Looks like they have kept the fresh flowers. Morning also I was here, but then I was so rushing up that I didn't notice any of the things. But now I feel I have good time and I wanted to show each of them to you guys and also explore myself. I really feel all the colors that we have in our dresses or anything like in our belt or bag or slippers, all these colors are motivated or derived from our mother nature. Like see the color of the fishes here, like so much variety of colors you see in the fishes. So amazing. So here I go, and that's the reception. So after this reception, we have got this nice cozy entrance room kind of thing where you can sit for some time. Okay, I will skip reading the whole, but at the last there is one mantra which they specified. It says that we care for our guests, and I really liked it. We also have a flag which says Niketana, welcome home. And one interesting thing is there's a Ramayana which is kept here. And then there is a chair which is nearby, and there's some stick kept on the chair which looks like the antique piece. So if anyone is interested can sit and read. This is how this entrance hall looks like. I really like this partition, a kind of ancient wall. Wow, there's so many small antique pieces are kept here. And here it's me. Dun, dun, dun. Now that I'm hungry and a bit tired because it's already 2 o'clock. So yes, I have to order my food, and as I told that it is kind of a homestay, so you can order your meal whatever you want to eat and they'll prepare you fresh. So that's amazing, isn't it? You have veg and non-veg, both the options here. But yeah, as you know, I'm the pure vegetarian one, so I'll go with the vegetarian, roti and dal, maybe not dal, but yes, at least paneer. And I just got to know that the food is ready and I'm hungry. So first I'm going to have food and then I'm going to show you the further things here. Yeah, come on. My food is there. This place looks really calm and I like the place where you have this peace and then you can have your food. So let me have my food that I have ordered personally for me and my sister who is taking the video behind. She doesn't want to come in camera, maybe later I'll get her. So as I said, my food is really simple vegetarian food. So that's paneer butter masala and that's fulka. I just completed my lunch and after that I asked for masala papad and then pomegranate lassi, and I found it really interesting, so I thought I'll show you guys. So in name of masala papad, I got this papad separately, and then this kind of cucumber raita separately, and then there was one more bowl which had the onion. So I just had to assemble all this to make sure that I eat masala papad like this. I've not seen this before. Like, you know, they give you separately and then you have to make it of your own. But yeah, I like the way. And more than that, what I like is pomegranate lassi. So you will be surprised to see pomegranate lassi looks like this. Like this is the pomegranate and this is the lassi, becomes pomegranate lassi. I don't know, like first to drink or first to eat, and how to ensure that in my tummy it just goes well blended. God, crazy. Let's see. So that's the pomegranate. And that's the lassi. So now I'm drinking pomegranate lassi. I just finished my lunch and started to show you guys that how it looks like again. There's one nice sitting area which has got Jula as well, swing. So I'm going to go sit there for some time and have some me time. I'll show you. That is the place for my me time. I used to keep this notebook in my books or notebook. So only reason is it takes away all your negativity around. So that's why usually people keep this more punk. So yeah, I would recommend to also keep more punk around you so that you feel fresh and you feel all positive. So imagine after your hectic schedule of visa, the interview, whatever goes on, we have this peaceful time to spend here. So I'm sure you will definitely like to read at this kind of place. So you can carry a book with you if you're interested reading. Okay, so you have a feedback board also here. So once you are leaving from here, do not forget to give a feedback. I have not yet returned the feedback, but yes, I am going to write for sure. And I see people have returned like big lengthy letters in terms of feedback. I just finished my lunch and also I had to read a book. I finished that, not finished that, but yeah, I read a couple of pages for my own peace. And now I'm in front of my room. Wait. You are not supposed to just get inside the girl's room like this, right? Yeah, come in. Oh, I really like the way they have kept it decorated. I'll just give you the sneak peek in the room, how the room looks like, so that you can plan accordingly. So you have the basic telephone and menu card here, the remotes and all. They keep 2 bottles of water for free. I think that is added in the package. And then they have the basic TV here. And then you have a nice view. Yeah. More than the room, I like the outside place. And this is the washroom. Having a very good time here, and more than good, it's a relaxed time here. So do come here at this place if you are going to come to German Consulate, Chennai. And yes, I give full stars to this place. Thank you so much watching me. Bye bye. And yes. Before we leave, I wanted to tell you that I will share the detailed procedure of getting either it's an employment visa or it's a family reunion visa for Germany. So if you see in the website, they have put up so much of list, but when you come in real, the scenario is totally different and the requirement of the documents are also different. So yes, I'm going to put up the detailed video about how to get German visa. And so stay tuned, and thank you for watching me so far. Thank you so much. Bye bye.